SitePace Connected Construction. Hello friends! Are you a construction builder, engineer, or an architect? Are you an owner or investor of any under construction property? Or are you associated with the construction industry through any medium? We know that you might be facing many challenges regarding your construction site. For example, what's the status of your construction? How much is the expense? What's the quality of work? How much more time will the construction take? To know about all this, you will have to visit the site yourself, or you will have to depend on the site team to keep you updated through photos and videos. And they are able to share just a few selective photos, not of the entire project. But are such dependencies and expenses justified in these modern times? No. After online meetings, there is a new revolution for construction. SitePace Connected Construction. SitePace is a web-based remote construction management service through which you can see the entire site remotely, that too, with just a click. Now you don't have to visit the site physically. With just a click, you can see and manage the entire project from wherever you are. SitePace visually gives you all the visuals of your actual project site. Its smooth navigation gives you a walkthrough of the site and gives the feel of an actual site visit, as if you're walking there yourself. Our application makes a digital twin of the under construction building, with which you can visually track and manage the entire construction project from any part of the world. Photo captures are done through 360-degree camera, which is readily available on every online stores and online platforms. We provide this helmet and attachment accessories to the SitePace subscribers. Wearing this helmet, the site engineer makes his routine sidewalk and the camera captures the entire site. Through SitePace's computer vision and machine learning algorithm, we process the captured data and visually show the user every inch of the site. Along with this, there are other benefits too, like virtual real-time measurement. Take work measurements and make builds without going to the site. Before and after construction progress, compare the work of any two dates side by side. Share notes, screenshots, and instructions online with your team. Just walk your site with SitePace and see the wonders. The cost of SitePace is considerably less compared to expenses like frequent traveling to sites and hiring staff for monitoring of the project. Come, let's revolutionize construction. SitePace.ai